What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, we are going to make some jet puffed hot cocoa bombs. Now, this was a kit that I got from That Daily Deal. I get a text message from them every single day with their daily deal. For anyone who's interested in doing that, I'll have a link to their website in the description box below. They have a lot of cool, fun, off-the-wall kind of things, and they get special deals on these. You get like a big discount compared to what you would have to pay on Amazon and things like that. I saw this jet puffed hot cocoa bomb kit and I thought, well, that sounds like fun. So without further ado, let's jump into making these. Okay guys, so let's see what I get in this hot cocoa bomb kit. If I open it up here, it has two different kinds of chocolate. We have the white chocolate and we also have the dark chocolate. It also comes with these mini jet puffed marshmallow bites and the silicone mold. So the first thing that you're supposed to do is take your chocolates out, and it says to count out 8 pieces of the chocolate and set that aside because you're going to use that for decoration when you decorate them. And then just split the remaining parts in half. So here's my halves, and you're going to take half of that and heat it up in your microwave. I did 30 seconds, I stirred it, then I did 30 seconds again, and then stirred it to get it to the right consistency. After I stir this, I'm going to go ahead and add it to the silicone mold with my spoon. All I'm going to do is scoop some of it out, put it into the little silicone mold, and spread it out so that it covers all sides of it. Once I finish covering everything up, I'm going to go ahead and put this in the refrigerator for about 5 to 10 minutes.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess
Okay guys, so this is what it looks like after I took it out of the refrigerator, and there's a lot of holes that I have on the side, so I'm just going to fill those holes in. And as I was scooping it out with my spoon, I realized that the spoon was not going to get all that chocolate out of there, so I went ahead and grabbed them in a spatula, and then I just used that to get all the rest of the chocolate out of there and added it to wherever I saw that I needed it on the mold to make this one solid piece. Then I stuck it back in the refrigerator for like another 5 minutes. Okay, so once I pulled them out of the refrigerator, they look like this, and then I just started popping them out of the molds, and they came out fairly easily. Now, mine weren't perfect, and yours may not be either, but that's okay, guys. Don't worry about that. We're just going to eat this. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, this is what they look like after I popped them all out of the molds, and now we are ready to move on to the next step, which is pouring the little jet puffed marshmallow bites into 1/2 of these little chocolate things.
to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down.
Okay, now that I have that part done, I have this pan heated up, and all I'm going to do is stick the chocolate on there to melt it just a little bit so that I can put these two halves together. So it's going to act as like a glue onto itself to glue these two halves together. And as you can see, they're not perfect, but once you decorate them, you're not even going to be able to tell, so don't even worry about that.
So high on a low, that's when I love you the most. Now I thought I should let you know, yeah, no worse no more. We don't know, no worse no more. We don't know.
Okay guys, so now that I have all of that done, I went ahead and melted some of the white chocolate to use as decoration. I'm going to go ahead and thin this out with some olive oil because it's a little thick to use for the decoration part, so I just added a dab of olive oil in there just to thin it out enough so that it's easy to spread over top of these little balls. So once I mix that up, I'm going to grab a baggie and I'm going to scoop this into the baggie. Then I'm going to cut the tip of the baggie with some scissors, and then I'm just going to just go crazy and decorate the tops of these little cocoa bombs.
To stay afloat, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. No worse, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. No worse, no more. We don't know. No worse, no more. We don't know. No worse, no more. We don't know.
Okay guys, once I finish doing this part, I do the exact same process with the white chocolate, and once I do that, here they are! Yay! It looks like a big old mess, guys, but they are so super fun. And honestly, if I package them individually, like if I was going to try to sell these or something like that, they would be super cute, but I just have them in my little container here because I'm just going to eat them. So let's take a quick look at this thing in action. I have the hot cocoa bomb inside the mug. I'm going to pour some hot milk over top of it, and then it explodes. It's awesome. It's delicious. I love this. This was such a super fun project. Let's go ahead and jump into my final thoughts. Okay guys, so that was a lot of fun. I love little kits like this. I used to get the grandma in a box and I loved it. It was such a super fun subscription. But the problem was I never ate all of the cookies and they just kind of went to waste because it was just, you know, you get the same thing each and every single month cookie wise, and I just wasn't eating them. So I went ahead and stopped that subscription, but it was a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun doing that with the kids. So getting one-off kits like this is a fun way for me to be able to still do that every once in a while. Now you don't have to get the kit to do this. You guys can just go out and get some chocolate, some marshmallows, and if you already have a mold, you're good to go. But I mean, this kit was so inexpensive when I got the text from that daily deal that I had to go ahead and give this a try because it just really sounded good. And I had a lot of fun making them. So hopefully this inspired you guys. And maybe if you want to do this, you can go ahead and get the kit yourself. I know they're available on Amazon, or you guys can just get some chocolate, marshmallows, and if you already have a mold, like I said, you are good to go. All right, guys, if you like this video, please make sure you hit that like button so that it will help me in the YouTube algorithm. I'm really trying to build my channel, and it's a very slow process. So any help that you guys can give me, I would greatly appreciate it. That's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! But I just thought it would be fun to get the whole kit and try this out. It just sounded like something that I would really enjoy. Okay, try that again. So I hope you guys enjoyed this fun little video, and maybe it gave you guys some ideas on some things that you can do with this at your own home. No. Oh, I was good till that. All right.